Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to combine your photos on your iPhone without any other applications, only your iPhone. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now, what you want to do is go to your shortcuts application on your iPhone. After this, hit the plus sign and click on add action. Here you want to select photos, search for an action, select photos. After this, hit this blue arrow and click on select multiple. Then at the bottom, you can search for some other actions, and we need an action which would combine our images. So just gonna click on that, choose that. You can also choose to do this horizontally, vertically in a grid, or ask each time. So we can choose each time, for example, if you want to do it differently every single time. After this, you're also going to search for save to a photo album, and let's save it to, for example, Pinterest. This combined image, we're just going to rename it into combine, and also add to home, click add to home screen because it will not appear on your home screen if you will not wouldn't choose it. After this, you want to choose your application. You can change the color and so on. And now, as you can see, this application is on my home screen. So after this, you're just going to click on the application and you're going to choose the images you want to create a grid with. Then you're going to click add and you're just going to choose the mode. I'm just going to choose in a grid. And that's basically after this, you're just gonna open up the album you saved the grid to, and here it is, your grid.